Okay, real talk. I'm not even here to talk about Hailey Bieber today. I'm here to talk about you, especially if your body shape is kind of like hers. Because here's the thing nobody says out loud. Her outfits don't work just because she's famous. They work because somebody is dressing her actual body the right way. If your body is built kind of like hers, the same trick that works for her will work for you too. Not exactly her clothes, just her tricks. So today we're doing this a little different. I'm going to tell you what her body type is actually called, and I'm going to give you the rules, the real rules for that body type. Then we're going to do something fun. We're gonna imagine what would happen if she ignored all those rules. Like, what would that even look like? So let's get into it. Hailey Bieber is a model. She's married to Justin Bieber, and she started the skincare brand Rhode. Her whole thing is skin that looks glossy and healthy without tons of makeup on. People started calling it the glazed donut skin. That brand blew up so fast that a huge beauty company bought it for $1 billion. Her style is kind of the same vibe with her skin. Simple colors, simple pieces, nothing screaming for attention. She was doing that whole quiet, expensive looking basic pieces thing before it was even a trend. Now let's actually talk about why her clothes work so well on her body. I want to talk about this for a second because I already know some of you already side-eyeing me. At some point, dressing for your body type turned into this thing that made women feel bad about themselves. Too much there, not enough there, covering this up, hide that. That stuff was not okay. And I'm glad people are pushing back on it. You can wear whatever you want, period. Nobody needs anyone's permission. But here's what I don't want us to lose in all of that. Fabric doesn't care about your feelings. It just does what it does. A stiff fabric is gonna sit different on a curvy waist than it does on a straight waist. That's not me being mean. That's just how clothes physically work. So this isn't about follow these rules or you're doing it wrong. It's more like know what your clothes are going to do on your body. So you're choosing stuff on purpose instead of just hoping it works out. The kind of confidence that actually feels real, not the kind you're faking. And one more thing before we jump in. Your body type isn't stuck forever. It's not a punishment either. Bodies change. You gain weight, you lose weight, you have a baby, you just get older. If your body changed, that doesn't mean you lost the right to look good. It just means the tips that work for you probably changed too. The goal is always to dress the body you have right now, not the one from 5 years ago. Hailey Bieber has what stylists usually call a straight body or a rectangle shape. Basically, her shoulders, waist, and hips are all pretty closed in width. There's not a huge difference between her chest, waist, and hip measurements. She does have a waist. It's just not this dramatic hourglass thing. If that sounds like your body, here's the honest truth. You're not missing a waist. It's just not the main event the way it might be on a curvier body. So for this body type, you basically have two options. You can create the illusion of a waist, or you can just lean all the way into those long, lean lines you already have and let that be your whole thing. Both work. Watch how these next few tips actually use one or the other. Okay, tip number one, fitting beats baggy. If your body is more straight up and down, there's not a lot going on to break up a big boxy outfit. So boxy stuff just makes you look like a box. That's why her crop tanks and tailored blazers photograph so well. The clothes are creating shape that her body isn't creating on its own. If this is your body, grab semi-fitted stuff before you grab the oversized stuff. You can still wear an oversized blazer. Just pair it with something fitted underneath or on the bottom. Oversized on top, more oversized kind of makes you disappear. Tip number 2, low-rise and mid-rise pants are actually easier on you, not harder. Since you don't have a lot of hip curve fighting against the waistband, low-rise jeans and pants just sits flat instead of sliding around or gapping open. Most women with this body don't even realize this is an advantage they have. If this is your body, don't think low-rise is just some trend thing for younger girls. On your body, it can honestly look better than a super high, stiff waistband that just sits like a straight tube. Tip number 3, wearing color head to toe makes you look taller and more put together. When it's all one color, there's no line cutting your body into shorter looking pieces. If this is your body, when you don't know what to wear, just do one color family top to bottom. It's basically a cheat code. It works even better on your body type than it does on a curvier body type. Tip number 4, structure adds shape. Soft stuff kind of takes it away. A tailored blazer, a dress with real waistline, structured pants, all of that is basically borrowing shape since your body isn't giving a ton of color shape on its own. Really soft, flowy fabric just kind of hangs there when there's not much underneath to hold it up. If this is your body, try to have at least one structure piece in every outfit. A soft flowy dress by itself might look shapeless on you. The same dress with a belt or thrown under a blazer suddenly has something to work with. Tip number 5, save your bold colors for your simple outfits. Remember that one time she wore all red? That worked because the outfit itself was so simple, just a tank and a skirt. Nothing else going on. So the color got to be the whole moment. If you want to wear one loud in your face color, do it in your simplest shape, not your busiest one. Let the color be the main character. This is the part that actually proves that rules are rules and not just me making things up. Picture the same girl, same face, same everything, but just threw out every single one of those tips. A giant boxy, oversized blazer over an equally oversized, soft, flowy dress, nothing fitted anywhere in the whole entire outfit. Then add stiff, super wide pants on top of that, nothing cinching anywhere. That outfit wouldn't fail because she's not stylish. It would fail because on a straight body, piling soft on top of soft with zero structure gets rid of the one tool this body type actually has, which is clean lines and a good fit. It wouldn't look relaxed. It will look like she got lost inside of her own clothes. And that is exactly the lesson here. It's not that these rules are scarred or anything. It's that your body has a certain tool that work for it. Fitted pieces, one color, some structure, low-rise waistline. And if you ignore all of them at once, that's not freedom. That just looks like an outfit that isn't talking to the body wearing it. Body type stuff can only take you so far. The rest is skin, hair, and how you actually carry yourself once you are dressed. With Hailey Bieber, the skin and the hair are doing a ton of the actual work. Skin that's genuinely well taken care of. Hair that's actually healthy. Both of those look effortless, especially because simple fitted clothes give them nowhere to hide. If the skin or the hair weren't actually healthy underneath, that same simple style would show it, not hide it. And how you carry yourself matters just as much as the fit does. You can have the most correctly fitted outfit for your body and it will still fall flat if you're walking around apologizing for taking up space in it. So if you've got a straight or rectangle body, here's a simple checklist, no celebrity comparison needed. Tops, go fitted or cropped instead of boxy, unless you're pairing something oversized with something fitted. Bottoms, low to mid-rise. Don't be scared of it just because it feels new to you. Color, when you're not sure, just do one color top to bottom and save one bold color for your simplest outfit. Structure, keep at least one structure piece for every soft, flowy piece you own. Confidence. None of this matter if you're not actually taking care of your skin and hair underneath the clothes. And none of this matter if you're not standing in the outfit like you mean it. And hey, if you're like me, your body changed recently, weight gained, weight lost, just passing time, this can still help you. It just might mean that you're not a straight body anymore, and that's okay. It's worth figuring out honestly instead of dressing for the body you used to have. If you want the real answer for your actual body, not just a guess based on comparing yourself to a celebrity, that's literally what I do in my one-on-one image consulting. Link is in the description box, babe. Don't be afraid to reach out. Let me know in the comments below who you want me to break down next and what body type you want me to talk about next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.